Dear students, we are going to discuss the technique of scientific management, namely the standardization and simplification of work. This lecture is divided into two parts. First part will make you conceptually perfect and the second part will help you achieve perfection through writing practice. So please concentrate. In this technique of scientific management, Taylor suggested that there is one best way of doing each and every activity. We need to identify that one best way. How to identify? Through various scientific studies, scientific analysis, namely time study, motion study, method study, fatigue study. And all those studies will help us to identify the best standards or best way of doing things. He suggested once identified, we need to follow all those best standards, best practices throughout the organization. Standardization also implies the use of new, innovative, and improved methods of doing things. That means it promotes innovation. On the other hand, simplification implies eliminating the unnecessary product, design, sizes, markets. That means eliminating the superfluous activities. This will contribute towards saving cost, energy, efforts, and will lead to optimization of resources.
Taylor was an ardent supporter of standardization. According to him, scientific methods should be used to analyze methods of production prevalent under the rule of thumb. The best practices can be kept and further refined to develop a standard which should be followed throughout the organization. This can be done through work study techniques which include time study, motion study, fatigue study and method study. Standardization refers to the process of setting standards for every business activity. It can be standardization of everything, process, raw material, time, product, machinery, methods or working conditions. These standards are the benchmarks, which must be adhered to during production. Standardization implies devising new varieties instead of the existing ones. The objectives of standardization are I. To reduce a given line or product to fixed types, sizes and characteristics. 2. To establish interchangeability of manufactured parts and products. 3. To establish standards of excellence and quality in materials. 4. To establish standards of performance of men and machines. Simplification aims at eliminating superfluous varieties, sizes and dimensions. Simplification aims at eliminating unnecessary diversity of products. It results in savings of cost of labor, machines and tools. It implies reduced inventories, fuller utilization of equipment and increasing turnover. Best note: sit.